good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel, Juvie's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna prepare cucumber salad. These are the ingredients are cucumber, tomato, onion, green apple, lettuce, lemon. Later on, I will squeeze this. Then I will take the extract. Pepper, iodine salt, sugar, and seasoning. Okay, let's prepare the lemon na. Now, we're gonna squeeze our lemon. I'm using 2 pieces lemon. And then 1 piece lemon is I cut into 4. Then now I will squeeze it. Then I will take the extract. This, we squeeze like this so that we can take the lemon extract. Okay, just squeeze tighten. You tight it. Squeeze more must exert energy. You can use also vinegar, but I'm using lemon. Okay. Okay, squeeze lemon. Squeezing lemon. Okay. Ayan. Your tita is fan of vegetables. That's why I'm making cucumber salad. This is my version in cucumber salad. Okay, I already squeezed lemon. Then now, mix all the ingredients. We are going to mix all the ingredients. We're using this empty container to mix all the ingredients. Okay, let's get started. First, put the cucumber first. Tomato. Green apple. Onion. Then lettuce. Okay, we mix first. Mix all the ingredients. This is my own version in cucumber salad. Now, dust pepper, pamintang pino, seasoning, add sugar, salt, and then lemon struck. If not enough lemon struck, you can add vinegar. Okay, you mix it again. Mix. Taste first. If the taste is good, then if not good, we add a little bit vinegar. Okay, try this. We'll try this first. Mmm. That's nice. Very nice. I like the taste. So delicious. Okay. That's all for now. This is my own version cucumber salad. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, comments below, click subscribe button. See you next video. Bye. Love you all. This is Juvie's Kitchen. Okay. Till now, this is my version in cucumber salad. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. And bye for now. See you again.